Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful log cabin wooden house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the size and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of the area is 2 feet 6 inches in meter 0.76 meter wide. We have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So in the front we have a living room. The size of the living room is 12 feet 4 inches into 7 feet 6 inches in meter 3.75 into 2.28 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and a bed for single person, and we have TV unit on the front wall. We have two large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we will go inside. So on the right side we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 6 feet into 5 feet 2 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.57 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement. And we have a window for ventilation of this kitchen. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have dining area. The size of the dining area is 6 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 1.82 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the dining counter with 4 chairs and a large size window for ventilation of this area. In the last we have washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.06 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.